Stop eating undercooked cake batter. A lot of lava cake recipes just tell you to underbake the center. That's not gourmet, that's just raw flour and egg. Tonight, we are making a true restaurant-style chocolate molten lava cake. It has a fully cooked, tender exterior and a liquid core of pure melted chocolate. And we are doing it in a microwave in under 5 minutes. Forget cocoa powder. A real lava cake starts with real chocolate. In your mug, melt 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Microwave for 30 seconds and stir until glossy. Let that cool for 10 seconds so we don't scramble the egg. Now whisk in 2 tablespoons of sugar, a splash of vanilla, and 1 whole egg. The egg is crucial here. It provides the structure that creates the cake shell around the molten center so it doesn't collapse. Gently fold in 2 tablespoons of flour. Do not overmix this, just stir until you can't see white streaks of flour anymore. If you overmix, the cake gets tough instead of tender. Here is the million-dollar trick. We aren't relying on raw batter for the center. Take 2 high-quality squares of solid chocolate, I like 60% dark chocolate, push these squares right into the center of the batter, submerge them completely, and use a spoon to smooth the batter over the top so they are hidden. While the microwave cooks the surrounding sponge cake, those dense chocolate squares will simply melt into a pool of liquid gold, trapped inside. Microwave on high for roughly 60 seconds. Watch it closely. It will puff up dramatically above the rim of the mug. It's done when the edges look firm, but the very center top still looks slightly shiny or wet. Place a fancy saucer upside down over the mug. Grabbing both, flip it over quickly. Tap the bottom of the mug and lift it away slowly. A dusting of powdered sugar and maybe a raspberry for color. Look at that shine. That is pure indulgence. You deserve this. Happy cooking!